What does it take to work in collision repair? Do I need to know the law? Do I need to know OEM repair procedures? Do I need to know claims? What is the knowledge level that's required?
It's the Drive at 5.
If you want to be successful in just about anything business and personal life, you must have emotional intelligence. Now I know we work in an industry that's classified as a skilled trade, but any job that has people involved is going to require you to navigate the world of emotions. In a nutshell, emotional intelligence consists of 4 core pillars: self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and relationship management. So how do you know what your emotional IQ is? One quick way to get a base is to start by asking yourself just 3 simple questions. First, what are the differences between how I see me and how others see me? You're sorting out the difference in your self-perception and your reputation. This is huge in how you approach others or react to what others say to you or about you. For example, I may think I'm a good listener, but in reality, I'm really not. When I understand the difference in perception and reputation, I can become aware of it as a potential blind spot, but also sensitive of my bias in situations that require me to listen, such as customer interactions, adjuster negotiations, or staff meetings. Next question, what really matters to me? I mean, how much time do we have tonight, right? But really, we all have things we need to work on. And we all have things that serve as trigger moments. Both of those, a majority of time, lie with what really matters to you. Because they matter, it's important that you work on them. And because they matter, it's most likely easier for you to find the motivation to put that work in. So let's go back to me, not being a great listener. Instead of that being an attack, I need to put that into perspective of what matters to me. You see, I want to connect with people. I want to understand them, and I want to communicate in ways that's impactful to their business or personal lives. So, how can becoming a better listener help me achieve that goal? Now that I have identified a weakness and then made it impactful by giving it meaning and purpose to me, I can get to work. The next question, what changes will you make to achieve these goals? Now, I know there is a skill I need to work on. I've got to formulate a plan on how I'm going to make that improvement. So we're back to listening again. I'm going to commit to engaging in controlled conversations. These will be ones I have with others that I don't consider stakeholders. So it's time to use the family, friends, or strangers at the coffee shop before I go to work on my coworkers and customers. In these controlled conversations, I'm going to make a point to talk less, to not formulate a response to the other person when they talk, but to pause. Then ask follow-up questions that ensure I understood what they were communicating. Now, keep practicing. Remember, I'm trying to retrain my brain how it will work in default mode, so that's going to take a lot of reps. By just asking yourself these 3 questions and changing your routine reactions, you'll be on your way to growing and fine-tuning your emotional intelligence. Got questions? Or is there more you want to say? Need a little more guidance on understanding emotional intelligence and the role it plays in either your business or your career? Well, hit me up. Let's chat about it.